Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to the Versilia coast. We are in Pietrasanta, a beautiful village just 10 minutes to the water. And here we are going to visit a charming apartment in an antique palazzo. This is a great compromise between having a home close to the water and at the same time a turnkey property easy to manage. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Pietrasanta, often called the Little Athens of Italy, is a charming Tuscan town nestled between the Apuan Alps and the Versilia coastline. Known for its deep artistic heritage, it has long been a heaven for sculptors and creatives, with galleries, ateliers, and marble workshops lining its picturesque streets. The historic center is a blend of Renaissance elegance and vibrant local life, featuring the stunning Piazza del Duomo, boutique shops, and excellent restaurants. With its unique mix of culture, seaside proximity, and a lively yet relaxed atmosphere, Pietrasanta offers an exceptional quality of life in the heart of Tuscany. Welcome inside the apartment. We are on the second floor of a beautiful building from the 1800s. As you can see, everything has been restored. The works have been done in the year 2000, and they have maintained the historical relevance of this place with the beautiful original terracotta all over the floors, which matches very well with the ceilings with these original wooden beams which have been cleaned and restored. All over the walls throughout the whole house you will find these charming frescoes which has been restored and brought back to light. The property at the same time has been upgraded with air conditioning. For heating there are some beautiful historical radiators throughout and also an alarm system. As you enter, you are welcomed in this grand living space. It is beautiful in proportions with these tall ceilings. They're probably around 4 meters tall. And at the center we have this very elegant fireplace which is in yellow marble, and it is a working fireplace, so even in the colder months it can be very cozy to sit around in the living space with a turned on fireplace. Then we have these large windows which are double glazed overlooking the main street, so there is lots of natural light coming in. Next to the sitting space we find the dining area. This table can sit 8 people. As you can see, the owners are passionate about art, and there are lots of very beautiful and unique art pieces all around which enrich further the property. Now let's have a look at the kitchen. On this side of the living area we find the access to the kitchen. Also here we find the same terracotta floors going through, and then we find lots of worktops. They are mostly made out of marble. In fact, the caves of the marble are really close to Pietrasanta, so it is very local. On this side we have the sink, which is nice and large, carved into the marble, very impressive. And these parts here are made out of brass. It is very well organized. There are lots of storage spaces all around, starting from these cabinets which are bespoke made for this kitchen with this glass part on top. Then we have this central piece with the stove. It's made of iron, brass details, and the top is made out of steel for maximum practicality. It is easy to clean and very durable. Additional storage and worktop on this side, while over here we have the dishwasher. The kitchen has access to a terrace which is on the back, and also the primary bedroom has access to that terrace. The terrace is great because it gives you an outdoor space for the apartment, and as well it could be closed to create like a winter garden sort of space. Additionally, the building next is quite far, so there is lots of light coming through this side, and it's also overlooking the garden below. The first bedroom is on the right side. You can see how the terracotta switches to parquet floor. It is full of natural light. You have this large window overlooking the street, tall ceilings like in the living area, and here we find this light pink color that matches very well the details on the ceilings with the paintings. You have air conditioning, as you can see. In this case you have a double bedroom with 2 single beds. Inside this paneling for the wardrobe you find the bathroom, which is a very nice detail. It is a very well organized bathroom with yellow marble, just like the rest of the bathrooms I will show you. There is a sink in the middle and the shower to the right with brass details, very elegant. As we exit the first bedroom, we also find a spacious storage area behind this door. And as we keep going through the hallway, we have the second bedroom with its bathroom right here. As you can see, the same marble as the first bathroom we've seen. It is a larger bathroom with beautiful mirrors and brass details, the shower in the end. Next, its bedroom, which is the second bedroom of the apartment. We have the same parquet floor as the first one. Also here, the same nice and tall ceilings with paintings and decorations. In this case, we have this yellow color with light blue decorations. Also here we have the air conditioning above the door, and on this side we can appreciate all this large amount of natural light we get from the window. Finally, we have the third bedroom. It is nice how each bedroom has its own personality and it's a bit different. Here we find these paintings that represent a clear sky with some roses, and it gives this room a larger sense of space. On this side we have the wardrobe, we have the same herringbone pattern parquet floor, and through this door right here we have access to the ensuite bathroom, which as well is made out of yellow marble like the other bathrooms, and it is well organized with the shower in the end. Through these 2 windows that give natural light, we have access to the terrace that we've seen earlier that connects also to the kitchen. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this home. I think it is a great compromise for someone that would like a home by the sea. In fact, we're just 10-minute drive to the water, and even by bike you can get through the Greenway in 20 minutes of cycling. So it's really a great location. At the same time, you are in the middle of a lovely village with lots of restaurants and nice shops. At the same time, you have a property that requires very little maintenance, since it doesn't have outdoor spaces to maintain and it's not a freestanding home. But it's very little maintenance with a beautiful common area to enjoy with friends and entertain, and also 3 bedrooms, so great for a family or if you would like to invite some guests. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and we would be glad to answer all your questions. Also remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Thank you and see you next time. Ciao!